It's Anita from Anita's Kitchen. What I'm going to show you today is a raw mango and a carrot pickle. I mean, most Gujaratis have that, but they have their own versions. I like mine with tindora or ivy gourd because I just like the crunch of it. So all you need is a raw mango, carrots, ivy gourd, a bit of lemon. It's quick and easy and it's quite fresh. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get the mango. See how nice and cheerful and colorful this is. And as Kenyans, we tend to love mangoes a lot. And all you need to do is kind of chop it. And that's kind of like a skill that I've just learned myself because I find it easier to just take the mangoes out. And you just need to glide your knife through it and all of it will just come off. So that's all you need to do. And you can use any type of mango that you get, but I tend to like the small ones that you find in most Indian shops, but because I couldn't get hold of it this week, I decided to make this with the big one. And you just need to chop it into fine, nice squares. That's it. I'm just gonna put that in my bowl. The next thing you need is carrots, but with the carrots, you just peel it and you grate it. It's just that I like the different textures that you get. You got the chopped mangoes, you got the grated carrots, you get the juliennes of the tindoras. It's very nice and nutritious and quite fresh. So the next thing you do is you need to just grate the carrots. So, and it's quite a colorful pickle and it's not as heavy as what you can get in the most like the North Indian cuisine because they're quite heavily based on spices. This one, all you need is cumin seeds and a bit of mustard seeds. That's all you need. So I'm just going to quickly grate the carrots. So now that's done. And it's kind of like a nice summery pickle. And you can use this as a salsa as well. The way to do an ivy gourd is you just need to chop off the tips slightly in the middle, and if it's red inside, that means it's too ripe and it would be nice to eat because it's got like a really bitter taste to it. So always buy the fresh ones. So all you need to do is just cut it in the middle. You need a few of this. It's kind of like you can take any kind of vegetable and make this, but the essential ingredients here is the mango and the carrots. Few of those. That's it. Now I'm going to start tempering my spices. For that, you can use any kind of oil that you have. So I'm going to be using sunflower oil. I'm just going to switch on my pan. So make sure your pan is quite hot as well. That's it. Just a teaspoon of oil. That's all you need. And a bit of mustard seeds. Let them crackle for a bit. I'm just going to use this spoon to turn them around. And a bit of cumin seeds. While that's crackling, you need to put a bit of salt and a bit of turmeric. That's it. And now the spices are getting crackled. That's nice. So that's done. Got to switch off the pan. All you need to do is drizzle this on your pickle. It's nice, quick, easy, quite fresh. And nothing beats a quick salsa kind of pickle that I love. And it's just a matter of mixing everything. And I like my food a bit tangy. So I kind of like prefer to drizzle a bit of lemon juice in it. There you go. And you can leave this in the fridge. The longer you keep it, the flavors will come out nicely. So all you need to do is just mix it up. There you go. And there it is, guys. Quick, easy pickle that you can do in under like what, 5-10 minutes? Do give this a try, and I'll see you next time.